As an accountant, you're working with numbers, spreadsheets, and bookkeeping software all day, right? Think about some of those long and painful reports that keep you up all night and hold your business back from growing. How good would it be if you clicked your fingers and those processes and reports were done in a matter of seconds instead of weeks? Well, I'm not a genie, but I am an experienced Python programmer, and I can teach you to do all that at the click of a button instead. Hi, I'm Andrew Poon, and I'm the creator and instructor for the Python for Accountants workshops. I've condensed over 10 years of my experience as an IT consultant into these 1 and 2 day workshops, and the reason we can fit so much in is because we skip all the computer science jargon and instead focus on writing code for practical use cases. And if you think programming is hard to learn, yeah, it can be for other languages, but Python is so easy to learn because the syntax is simple, which makes reading and writing code easier. Even tech giants like Instagram, Google, and Spotify are using Python to power the backend of their websites. So at the end of the Python for Accountants 1-day workshop, students will have learned the fundamental Python programming concepts, the tools required to automate basic reports, and how to import spreadsheets to perform data analysis and basic charting. This is a great introduction for beginners. At the end of the Day 2 workshop, students will have learnt everything from Python for Accountants 1 plus other advanced concepts that will enable them to solve case studies like creating an interactive accounting dashboard that you can even view on your phone. How impressed are your clients going to be with that? We'll also integrate Python with Xero so you can create your own custom applications, saving you money from buying additional apps from the Xero marketplace. We'll also extract foreign exchange prices, which send updates to your phone upon price changes so you don't have to be glued to your computer the whole time. And finally, we'll use optical character recognition technology to convert scanned and photocopied documents into text files, saving you heaps of time from manual data entry. This is the ultimate workshop. If you want to work smarter, impress co-workers and clients, and learn a skill that's highly sought after, then register for Python for Accountants 1 and 2 at edgecate.com. I hope to see you soon.